Hello, dear students. Tragedy took place with me. How will you feel when you realize that the lecture you were recording was not actually being recorded, and it just got recorded for just first 15 minutes, and the last 35 minutes were not recorded because of the full memory of your phone. So it happened with me. So let us begin. Let us continue this lecture. So I'll call this lecture 2. So here at this point, it stopped. So I was telling you that where it took place, it was held. It was held in the kingdom of Pandyas. Here we are having Pandyas. Okay, Pandyas today's you can say Tamil Nadu, Cholas today's Andhra Pradesh, and Cheras today's Kerala. Okay, so this region, western coast of India, was ruled by Cheras. Eastern Southeastern coast was ruled by Pandyas, and this one coast, eastern coast, okay, was ruled by Cholas. So ultimately, it is said that Cheras overcame all of them, okay, and defeated them. So we studied that I, it was held in kingdom of Pandyas. Now we know that there were three sangams. The first sangam, the Tamil literature, which was written in first Sangam, not Singham, sorry, first Sangam, it has been lost. It has not survived, right? And it is said that in this first Sangam, saints, sages, and even gods participated, right? But we don't have any of the remain of Sangam literature, first Sangam literature. Then then second Sangam was held, okay, and in second Sangam also a rich amount of Tamil literature was written, and out of that only this Tolkapiyam, which was written by Tolkapiyar. Okay, what is Tolkapiyam? Tolkapiyam is a Tamil grammar book written by Tolkapiyar. This question is oftenly asked in exams. Okay, so only this has survived, and other Tamil literature has has been lost. Okay, then in third Sangam, a rich amount of Tamil literature was written, and only a fraction of that rich amount of Tamil literature has survived till today, and it is that fraction only which has become the basis of our information about the South India, right? From first century BC to second century AD, or that period. Okay, so after that, the other parts of your book, okay, like megaliths from the sources, and about the empire of Cheras, Cholas, and Pandyas, okay, their political history and society, economy, religion, all these topics has been removed. Okay, so we have to just study the sources. Which sources? Sources of Sangam age, right? Tirukkural. So, what was Tirukkural? Tirukkural was one of the 18 minor works of Tiruvallur. Don't get confused in the names. Here it was written by Tolkapiyar and it is Tiruvallur. Okay, Tolkapiyar and Tiruvallur. These are the two different names. So Tiruvallur's 18 minor works are there, which are called Patinen Kilka Nakku. Okay, all together. So these 18 minor works, which are also called Patinen Kilka Nakku. So out of those 18 minor work, one minor work was Tirukkural, which is also called Kural. Tiru means three, you can say Tirukkural or Kural. So basically, it is a compound, a mixture of three subjects, you can say. First is Arthashastra, second is uh, first is Arthashastra, and second is Dharmashastra, and third is Kama Sutra. Okay, so Dharmashastra, Arthashastra, and Kama Sutra, these three topics have been covered in this book by Tiruvalluvar. Okay, so this book has 133 chapters, and those chapters can be categorized into three parts. First is Aram. Aram means righteousness. Okay, virtues. It deals with the virtues, moral obligation, righteousness, quality of people, good quality of people, right? And second is Porul. So Porul deals with wealth, okay, money, right? And third is Inmam or Kamam, which deals with the pleasure or private life of people, matrimonial life of people, you can say. Clear? So as these three topics, you can say Porul, Aram, Porul, and Inbam. Okay, so from there we can say that it is a compound of Dharma Shastra. Dharma Shastra means Aram, it is telling about righteousness, justice. Okay, and Porul, wealth means Ardha Shastra. Okay, and then Inbam, Kama means Kama Sutra, right, or pleasure. So this we have to study. From there only questions will be asked. So you have to just see this lecture once or twice and everything will be clear to you. Thank you so much.